Hello guys, today is Thursday, July the 2nd. This wedding is for Saturday, July 4th. Today we're just setting up the chandelier. We just wanna make ahead so that on Saturday morning we don't have too much work to do, less stress, at least chandelier is done ahead. So as you can see here, this is where the Indian ceremony in here. We're just hanging the chandelier in the middle of the tent. This this wedding is held in the backyard of the residence. By the way, this is the first son I decorated 5 years ago, and this is the second son I decorated again in this family. So basically, I'm the family wedding decorator. So here, I'm putting the few flower in the chair. This is a few flower chair, and this is a Indian wedding ceremony. So this is in their backyard. In their backyard, there are 4 tents set up in here because right now it's very hot here in Canada. So right now, this few flowers in here is custom made. No, not custom made. She ordered it somewhere in Amazon or whatever online. So she just asked for me to put on a chair. Okay. So yeah, so now I'm here in another tent. Again, I'm doing the few flower or chair flower. So I'm done putting the few chair flower. So as you can see here, there are 3 tents, but there's another one in the side of the house. So we are done for now today, but we will be back on Saturday morning, July 4th. So today we just basically install, set up the chandelier. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow for more. Bye for now. God bless.